Advantages and disadvantages of having a rabbit. Have you wanted to get a pet, but don't think you will have the ability to care for a dog or cat? Many people turn to a rabbit and think that this is a low responsibility animal. While it is true you won't need to walk them in the same way as dogs or worry they'll knock over pictures on the mantle like cats, they need lots of care and affection. It would be irresponsible to think that you could have a rabbit as a pet and only spend time with them when you want to. Rabbits can provide wonderful companionship to we humans, but no animal will suit everybody's lifestyle. To help you decide whether you want to adopt a rabbit into your home, AnimalWise looks at the advantages and disadvantages of having a rabbit. Advantages. 1. Rabbits are docile and easy to live with. When rabbits are well cared for and integrated into the family, they can be very friendly animals. By accustoming them since they are young to being in contact with humans and other animals, the rabbit should behave well and naturally enjoy company. In this way, they can truly become a member of the family. Rabbits are docile in temperament and can be faithful companions. They are particularly good with children who spend a lot of time at home, and they can form a strong emotional bond with them. Rabbits also have the ability to adapt to different environments both indoor and outdoor. Rabbits tend to have contrasting needs. Sometimes they want to spend time on their own, and other times they want to socialize with people and want interaction. With rabbits as a pet, it's all about finding a happy medium. Too many breeds and personalities. One of the advantages of having a rabbit as a pet is the variety of breeds and styles available in terms of domestic pets. Although most of us are au fait with different breeds of dog and cat, not as many of us are aware of the diversity of rabbit breeds. While every rabbit is an individual, many of these breeds share certain traits and characteristics in terms of look and temperament. If you have the opportunity to adopt a rabbit, you should first look at the characteristics of each breed and see which best suits you and your lifestyle. Practical considerations in terms of the environment you can provide is important, especially if you find a larger rabbit breed. If you want to know more, AnimalWise has this list of pet rabbit breeds for you to consider. 3. Obedience and cleanliness. Although it may seem unlikely, rabbits can be trained and will even be able to understand certain orders. The obedience they learn won't necessarily be as advanced as that which you can teach a dog, but these small mammals are much more intelligent than many people give them credit for. Tricks you can teach them are basic, but they are fun and can really help provide positive stimulation for the rabbit. As far as hygiene goes, rabbits are clean animals. They love to preen themselves all day long and will happily do it with their hutch mates. Although they can seem uncoordinated at times, they are actually well disciplined. It is rare for a rabbit to get depressed for no apparent reason. However, if their human companions neglect them and do not clean their cage, they will be negatively affected and become stressed. Disadvantages. 1. Destructive and disordered. When we say destructive, we don't mean that rabbits are maniacal creatures which will destroy everything in sight. The problem is that they love to bite everything and anything, laces, fabrics, space, and